Hey guys, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today is going to be a day in the life of, you're just going to kind of go with me and we're going to shop a little bit for this remodel and got some appointments to take care of, and that's what we're doing. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell notification, and giving me a thumbs up. I would love nothing more than for you to be a part of the Farm and Pastor's Wife YouTube family. I love and appreciate each and every subscriber and any viewer. I love and appreciate you, but would love for you to be a subscriber. Once we hit 50,000, there's going to be another giveaway. So stay tuned. We got a lot to do today. Okay guys, we're here at Floor & Decor. We've come to pick up and pick out my black backsplash, and it's a little more difficult than you would imagine. Come on, let me show you the one I picked out. Okay guys, so right over here, let me get my eye on it. Where is it? Here it is. It's the one I want. Now I don't want the bricks laid like horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. I want them all horizontal, but staggered, like a normal brick.
So you want them laid like this?
I want them laid like this.
Okay.
Okay.
But these are too small.
Yes. The size I want is that over here. Now, the hard part is the grout. Because, in case you didn't know, when they make a display, they put what color they think it is on the grout.
See right there? That's the color. The person that does the display is not always the person that does the tag, and the reason we know is because we've discovered an error and we asked. So, I like this color grout, but I'm not sure that that's right. She likes that color grout. What's it called?
It says it's called Pale Umber.
Pale Umber.
Actually, this is the one I originally picked out, which was the 49 almond.
Okay, it's light almond.
But when we got back there, it actually looked
really light.
Like this.
The light color, yeah. But so here's the actual backsplash that you're wanting right here.
Yeah, right there.
Right there, okay.
So in most stores, there's going to be a grout display. Let me show you the grout display.
You know, we got to go follow her, guys.
Okay, so right here is your grout display, especially of the brand that I'm looking at.
Okay, that's the brand.
Yep. Okay. So, and here are all your colors. So what I did was I brought my brick over here, or my tile, and held it up. And I didn't want it really white because I don't want it to show a lot of dirt or a lot of wet or whatever. So I actually went with Harvest. I went back and forth between Harvest and Navajo Brown. I really like the Navajo Brown, but Bryant thought that might be a little dark, so we went up here, kind of met in the middle, and went with Harvest. Yep. So that's the one we went with. Then Bryant had this great idea of putting like some accents in the brick backsplash. So let's go look at the accents. Now, believe it or not, I love this, but my kitchen is the cabinets are dark, so I went away from that.
They've got some crazy backsplash.
They've got some really cool backsplashes.
Yep. So look at all those up there. Floor & Decor. Not sure you guys have one in your area, but look at all these potential backsplash ideas. Look, it goes on and on forever and ever. Look at them up there. I mean, it's just crazy. Floor & Decor. If you've never been, you need to just take a Friday night after you eat supper and just go and visit somewhere. This is like a do-it-yourselfer's dream. All right, guys, we didn't want to film over there where everybody was, so she's getting everything right here.
Okay, these are the two potential accents we liked. You still need to back it up. Anyway, we really like this one, but it's a little bit larger than the tile we picked out for the backsplash.
Yeah, it's a 4-inch.
It's a 4-inch Go ahead and tell them.
And what we got's like a 2x4.
So we were going to have to do a lot of cutting, a lot of finagling to get this to work.
Yep.
But we really liked it because my sink is copper. If you remember my copper sink, this would be so sharp. But our second, well, I was equal. I love both of these equally. But this has got a little bling bling to it.
Yep, check it out.
And my kitchen is so...
Hang on, to the forward, the light is getting it. There you go.
My kitchen is so wooden, brown, masculine, that I thought this would bring a little softness and a little shine and a little elegance to the kitchen.
And we're just going to dot those around.
And we're just going to randomly put these around. Right?
We're going to cut them right here.
And make 4 squares out of each one of these strips.
Yeah, you guys couldn't see that. Sure, we're going to cut them off. Yeah, just like that.
So yeah, this will be a square right here.
Yeah, and that's the perfect size of the tile we got. Hey, tell them where we just left.
Oh, we just left Rooms to Go, and I ordered bar stools.
We purchased them too.
Yeah, we purchased them, but we have to wait for them to come in. So
September the 18th.
we have some available to us that we can use until they come in. But they're cushioned, they're soft. I was thinking going with wooden, but again, I was trying to bring some softness and some femininity. Is that a word?
Chocolate in color.
It is dark in color.
Tell them what color I wanted.
He wanted red.
Red.
But I wasn't sure I wanted red to be the accent color. I'm not really sure what I want to be my pop of color. And I wasn't sure enough to order red bar stools.
So we've got the backsplash picked out.
The accents
Picked
and
out.
the bar stools.
And the bar stools and the grout.
And the floor should be here this week.
And the countertop is coming on
Thursday.
And so the backsplash will go up when?
Friday.
Friday. That's exactly right. All right. Hang tight. See you guys shortly.
Okay, y'all, we're here at Lowe's. We're looking for the recessed lighting to go in the kitchen. I know a lot of you are worried about my kitchen being dark because I have dark cabinets, but no fear, we're doing lots of recessed lighting. I want to look at the lumens. Right here, this says 850, so I at least want 850. And this is a box of 6, and I think we're gonna do like 4 in the kitchen and maybe 2 in the other room. I'm not sure, or all 6 in the kitchen.
What size are they?
They are 8 inches, right?
Nope.
6 inches. 6 inches. And it has multiple types of lighting. I can do the bright white, I can do the soft white, or at least I think I can. So this is what we're gonna get. We're gonna get the box of 6. That's the price. But all for you guys at YouTube, just so y'all can see me cook bright and so anyway, here we go. This is going in the buggy. This is another thing in the buggy for the ice maker. Okay, we're over here. If you remember, I have a new copper sink, but it does not have the drain attachment strainer thing in it. So I don't want to go with stainless steel because that'll stick out like a sore thumb. And here's a really pretty black one, and it is just solid black, matte black. But I really think this is the one I want. It's kind of got that bronze copper type finish, and I think this is the one I want to go with. So we're getting this. Anything else we need? This thing? I don't know what this thing is, but he says we need it. It's a dishwasher tailpiece. Who knew? So we're getting this too.
The drain for the dishwasher plugs on to the that spout.
Gotcha. So now you know.
Now you know.
Now you know. Watch Farming Pastor's Wife, and you learn something every time.
Every day.
Okay, let's see what else we can go by. All right, we need something else to go along with this. If you don't fill in around it and seal it, it will leak. So we're gonna get this plumber's putty to go around underneath the drain, and it seals it where goop and water and stuff can't get under it. So plumber's putty.
It goes between the basket and the what?
The sink.
Yep.
Basket and the sink.
Creates that seal.
$3.
$3.
Putty.
Plumber's putty.
Hey guys, I'm taking a break. Did y'all see my lip get stuck in my tooth? I'm taking a break from shopping and getting remodel stuff. And I'm going to do something that should have been done a long time ago. Actually, I have 2 appointments. One of which should have been done a long time ago. First one being, I'm getting my 2nd ever mammogram. 2nd mammogram. So ladies, don't put it off like I did. Get your mammograms. Get them annually or however often they suggest it. I don't know now how often they suggest it, but I'm way behind on mine. Also, I have had a lump come up in my hip area, and so they're going to do an ultrasound of that. I don't think it's anything to worry about, but we just want to be sure. And you know, with as many crazy health stuff as I've had going on, it could be anything. But I'm not worried about it. I'm going, and we're just going to see and check it out. Make sure everything's okay up top with the girls, and check out what this lump is in my hip. But, so, remodel, they can handle it without me. I don't think any decisions need to be made other than what I want done next. And I think my husband knows what I want done next. So, but I don't know their plan. They may have a different plan of how it should go, and that's fine. I mean, it's fine. I know the granite people came out and they were supposed to bring the granite tops Thursday. Well, we called just to make sure we were still on for Thursday, and there's something he's questionable about, and so he wants to come back and remeasure, but he says this does not change the delivery date. That there's this one part they're holding off cutting until he comes back and just double checks. And I'd much rather them double check and be sure than to cut it and it be wrong. So, anyway, I've started putting a few things in the cabinets now just to get them, and I'll probably move them 100 times, but I have started putting a few things in the upper cabinets. The lower ones are still kind of open on top, so they're getting dust and stuff in them. So I'm not putting anything in them until I can get in there and wipe them out and clean them out. So yeah, it's moving right along. So let's go see the ultrasound people and the mammogram people. Joy, joy, joy. At least, guys, the hospital gowns are semi-pretty for the mammogram. Y'all, this is not flattering. Well, y'all, that gives pancakes a whole new meaning. Whew. But it's done. I'm good. We'll see. Well, we'll see if I'm good. But it's done. And I shouldn't have to worry about it for another year. So go get your mammogram. Get you a whole new meaning to the word pancakes. Yeah. Wow. Okay, guys. So let's pick up my glasses. And I'm going to head home and see what's happening on the remodel. And then I'm going to upload this quick little video for you guys, because I don't have a lot of footage, but I'm going to upload what little bit of footage I have. Tomorrow's video, well, it will be Thursday's video, will either be a try-on haul, because I've got a little thing I got to tell you about, or a devotional video. So that'll be Thursday's video. So we'll get that going in just a little bit. Okay, guys, so in all seriousness, the mammogram was not that bad. You know, I don't know how it's been for you guys. It's not, I mean, it's not something I want to do every day, but it was not that bad. The only thing I had problems with was because I get cramps in my muscles so easily. I was standing in such an awkward position that my back would get a cramp. But that was the worst anything. I mean, that was the worst of it. And so that was not even that bad. So go get your mammograms. It's very important. There could be something brewing that you don't even know about and that these tests can find. So be sure to go get your mammogram. I got home. They had to go back to Lowe's. Bryant and Kevin went back to Lowe's. And so that's what's happening. I'm here trying to find me something to eat. And hopefully we'll get some things hooked up and some things going. So I can at least use a few things. You know, I showed you guys the wall that we built using my daddy's shiplap. I mean, he's going to finish it off over here, of course. But let me show you what else we did out of it. My lights are hanging from this box that Kevin built out. I was going to let it be a surprise, but Bryant can't stand it. So he was wanting the wall shown, so I thought I might as well go ahead and show that one too. So, yeah. So things are moving right along. But nothing really to show you this afternoon other than us going to Lowe's and what we purchased. We're going to go, I've ordered my under the cabinet lighting. I ordered that yesterday. We'll be going tonight to pick those up. They're at the Winston Home Depot store. So we're going to go to Winston and pick those up. And yes, I'll be getting a box of Krispy Kreme donuts. Yes. So anyway, thank you guys for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. I know this has been a quick video and it's been kind of a day in the life of, which there's not really been anything exciting in my life today except the mammogram. But anyway, yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We do have an exciting clothing haul coming up, and I've got a lot to tell you about that. So that should be Thursday's video or a devotional video. I'm hoping I can do the clothes haul on Thursday and the devotional on Saturday. That's my hopes. So thank you guys for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything, even if I can't cook right now, because the grease ain't hot, because I'm not cooking. Bye, guys. I love y'all.